There's only one GAF shingle tougher than the legendary Timberline HDZ, and that's Timberline AS2. It offers the durability, beauty, and wind and algae protection of a Timberline HDZ shingle, but it's engineered for areas where precipitation leaves bruises. If you live there, you know. SBS-modified Timberline AS2 shingles pass the UL 2218 Class 4 impact resistance test. That means they're designed to take a punch from Mother Nature. They also feature layer lock technology, which makes them eligible for the wind-proven limited wind warranty with no maximum wind speed limitation when installed with a required combination of 4 GAF accessories. And finally, thanks to time-release algae-fighting technology, they come with a 25-year Stain Guard Plus Algae Protection Limited Warranty against blue-green algae discoloration. If you cope with hard-hitting weather, ask for Timberline AS2 shingles, the even tougher Timberline.